Howdy, we're at the 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. It's a really pretty apartment. We're gonna do a super quick 1 minute or so walkthrough. This is a 1 bedroom model, and we're just gonna visually walk through it so you can see it. Really pretty. I love the way this is looking. Very nice features. Just pointing out a couple things. The exhaust fan is really nice. The island is super huge, and it has a microwave and a wine fridge in it. Very large island. The built-in desk that's there. I mean, look how super pretty this apartment is. It's all light and bright. You know, it's new, it's nice. I love all the built-ins here too, above the desk. And then you've got a really pretty just living room area with so much space. I mean, you could have easily, I'd say 10 people over here, no problem. 3 there, 4 there, 3 or 4 over here, you know, even 11 or 12, no problem. Everybody would feel nice in here. So you can grab and have a great evening here and cook and just watch the game and relax. The bathroom and bedroom, this is what it looks like, really quick, just walking through it. It's very attractive. And then here, a really huge closet, and then really big, 2 dual sinks, bathroom with a walk-in shower with a bench. So a really pretty apartment. Hey, if you're ready to see this in person, why not start with a Zoom tour? That's probably the best way to do it. You don't have to drive. You can just do a Zoom tour. I'll set that up for you right away. Send me a text, and I'll get that going for you right away. We'd love to help you with that. You can send me a text. It's really the fastest way to get any information about any Dallas apartments. I've got a free service. I work with all of them, but I don't keep their office hours. I'm always available. So the fastest way to get the best information is my number below. Just text me.